God, I need to call the cops. Hello, there's been a murder at Eggshell Mansion at Dominican University of California.
Man, this is sick. It looks like there's been a struggle between the killer and the victim. There's scratches on her body and her throat's been slit. Who would do such a thing? Who is she?
Her name's Crystal. She's 19 years old. Do you know how long she's been dead?
It seems like she's been dead for a couple hours. That guy back there just called moments ago.
I'm gonna run some tests. Hopefully we can get this solved as soon as possible. I'm gonna take a swab of her blood and what seems to be the killer's blood here on her arm.
Right. When the tests are done, come back to our office.
Yeah, that sounds good. What?
1 hour later.
The puddle of blood next to her is a mixture of two different types of blood. The blood on her arm was O positive, and the blood on her neck was B positive. I'm assuming that the blood on her neck was her blood, and the blood on her arm was the killer's blood.
What? So sorry for asking this, but can you explain what this means? Gosh, I feel so stupid.
Oh my gosh, are you an idiot? Don't you remember learning all of this in college? Remember in our cell biology lab where we worked with fake blood and found out who the baby daddy was?
Oh, yeah.
So, you remember all of this?
No, I absolutely remember nothing.
Let's start with the basics. So, our blood types are inherited from our parents. We use these things called Punnett squares to determine the genotypes and phenotypes of a person. The capital letters are dominant, and the lowercase i's are recessive. Genotype describes all of an individual's genes. Phenotype explains the physical appearance of a person based on their environment and genotype. And this is how the genotypes and phenotypes are written for A, B, AB, and O.
Alleles are either dominant or recessive.
You mean alleles.
Dominant alleles always show,
Alleles.
and recessive alleles only show
Alleles.
when dominant alleles are not present.
Alleles.
And having the same alleles for a gene is homozygous, and for different, it's heterozygous.
Okay, therefore there are 4 different blood types. A, B, O, or AB. And there are 2 antigens, A and B, which makes it dominant. If they have neither of them, they're recessive, which makes the blood type O.
Oh!
And you know how they were both positive, right? The positive means they have the Rh factor. The positive is written either with a capital D and a lowercase d, or both capital case D's. The negative is only 2 lowercase d's.
Okay, now I understand. But you know that there was blood leaving classroom 106? The killer might be still in there. Let's bust up that sucker!
Oh my gosh, why didn't you say that sooner? Let's go!
I think I'm gonna take a nap.
Who are you?
Ah! Ah!
Go behind, please. No, you're good behind her. Okay.
It looks like they're in this. That guy back there? No, wait.
Go.
Next
Wait. Okay. Now action.